Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a crucial skill that can make all the difference. How to write a good answer. See, your answer can change your result because a good answer with some useful trick can be a reason to get the highest marks in your exam. Many of us struggle a lot to get good marks in exams, and a lot of students asked me that they worked hard but did not get good marks. So here I am telling you some useful tricks to get good marks, which I have been using since a long time. It is not a new trick. This strategy many toppers has been using and teachers also taught us. So look at the features. Three important things that you should definitely put in your answer. The first thing is introduction, and second body, and the third conclusion. You have to frame your answer in this order. This is very important thing that we skip. It is an impactful trick. Now, how to write a intro. First and foremost, you have to read the answer. You have to read the question carefully. You have to clear about the topic. Try to write in a concise manner. It should be impressive so that the examiner likes to read your answer. Okay. Then the very important thing is body or your content. Use point in your answer. Use two color pens. Whenever you write key point, try to write with the black pen, and you can write the answer with the blue pen. Don't use red pens, it can reduce your marks. And after each point, give some gap in your answer. Okay. Now, write which is relevant for the question, because the examiner will give you the marks on the basis of your content. So try to write which is relevant. Try to quote some examples after each point. And most important, don't divert from the topic. The third one is, of course, handwriting. Handwriting is the key factor. It plays a good role to get more marks. Too much cut in your answer can reduce the number. Try to write clearly and straightforward. These are some useful tricks that you can follow. You know that your conclusion is the last impression of your answer. So you have to conclude with some tricky lines that the examiner find it very unique. So this is it. I hope all of you find it useful. Keep supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe. It motivates me a lot. Thank you very much.